this video we're going to be looking at adding users to the GoBright platform using their CSV file format. So to get started, I'm just going to go into the Help Center, and we could be searching for CSV. That will give me the link to the help file, and we can see we can manually import users using CSV file. That gives me a link to a template, and with that template downloaded, I can open and I'm just going to change the format of this. So I'm just going to go into data and I'm going to go in text to columns, and we've got it delimited. Let's go next. Tab semicolon, it gives us a view here of what we're going to see. Let's go next, and we'll just leave it as general and we'll finish. So that's just separated out now the semicolons for each of the column headers that we've got access to. I don't need that. So let's just populate this with one example. We'll give a pin code, and I'm just going to do the row underneath as well. So if you were doing more users, the idea being we can just drag that down then for as many users, and that will increase the pin code. And also our active needs to be classed as true as well, so we can drag that down for our users. And for our unique import ID, then we can simply copy and paste our email address into there as well. And again, I'll just take the hyperlink off that. So now we can just go up and we can go up to File, and we can save this file. Now that we've saved the file, I've gone into the GoBright portal as an administrator, and I'm actually in the admin area of GoBright. And when I'm in the admin area, I've gone to users, and I've gone in to start looking at creating the users. So I can now click Browse to go and search for the file to import. Just imported that file, and we can see that we can select all. So if we had the multiple names, we could be selecting those, but we've got the name and we've got the email address, which is what we need, and activated. What you can then do is, if you have any integration that's already set up, then you can be selecting which integration you want this user or this group of users to be associated with. And also then you can be choosing the role that they actually want to be given as part of this process for importing users. All we would then do is click on Import, and when we hit the Import button, all of the names that are part of that CSV file here will come into the GoBright portal and be given the integration, be given a user role as well. So that's how we can start to import users using the CSV file format.